Metaverse. The Virtual Universe. Source, AP, Verge. By visualgk.com. What is the metaverse? The metaverse is where the physical and digital worlds come together. It is a space where digital representations of people, or avatars, interact at work and play, meeting in their office, going to concerts, and even trying on clothes. At the center of this universe will be virtual reality, a digital world that you can already enter via Facebook's Oculus VR headsets. It will also include augmented reality, a sort of step back from VR, where elements of the digital world are layered on top of reality. In this metaverse future, you will be able to teleport instantly, as a hologram, to be at the office, without a commute, at a concert with friends, or in your parents' living room, to catch up. Mark Zuckerberg, CEO, Meta Platforms Incorporated, formerly Facebook Incorporated. Origin of the term. The term metaverse, a combination of the prefix meta, meaning beyond, and universe, was coined by the writer Neal Stephenson, in his 1992 novel, Snow Crash, then reimagined as the Oasis, in the Ernest Cline novel, Ready Player One. In the latter, the world has been ravaged by climate crisis, and the metaverse is an escape. Companies like Meta Platforms Incorporated have touted plans to develop metaverse experiences, services and hardware. It already has a Metaverse Horizon Workrooms, an app that lets workers enter virtual offices and hold meetings. Activities in the metaverse. Essentially, it's a world of endless, interconnected virtual communities, where people can meet, work and play, using virtual reality headsets, augmented reality glasses, smartphone apps, or other devices. It also will incorporate other aspects of online life, such as shopping and social media. Also, instead of seeing co-workers on a video call grid, employees could join them, in a virtual office. Musicians can do virtual concerts within these platforms. For example, in September 2021, millions of people watched the singer Ariana Grande virtually perform, in Fortnite, a video game environment. Why is it taking off? The accelerated interest in the metaverse can be seen as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. As more people have started working and going to school remotely, there has been increased demand for ways to make online interaction more lifelike. At the moment, people interact with each other online by going to websites and social media platforms, or using messaging applications. The idea of the metaverse is that it will create new online spaces, in which people's interactions can be more multidimensional, where users are able to immerse themselves in digital content, rather than simply viewing it. Role of video games. The path to the metaverse will be through video games, because the platforms are already developed, which makes for an easier evolution. Early iterations of what some might call the metaverse include the video game The Sims, which launched in 2000, and online game Second Life, which launched in 2003. In both, people control avatars in a virtual world. Legal concerns about the metaverse. The overwhelming concerns are privacy and security. For instance, an advertiser targeting you in a virtual world might not just be reacting to old-world data, like your age and gender. What about your body language, your physiological responses, knowing who you are interacting with and how? Facebook has announced a $50 million investment program to ensure the metaverse is built responsibly, with the money distributed among organizations and academic institutions, such as Seoul National University, and Women in Immersive Tech. Please like, share and subscribe. visualgk.com